Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, answering a question submitted by a student. So this is basically a calculator question, in the sense that you do everything. Calculator's doing all the work here. So let's get started. We're being given a table of data points, and you can see I'm using Desmos here. It's the easiest to work with when I'm trying to put something into Wyzant. Desmos is a really great tool. If you're not familiar with it, I think you should become familiar with it. If you're taking the PSAT in this year, October 2023, you'll be allowed to use Desmos on the PSAT. And then for the regular SAT, you'll be allowed to use Desmos in March of 2024. So it's a great tool. Now, of course, you could do this on your calculator. If you're using a Texas Instruments calculator, which is the one I use, you would be going to stat edit. So let me just write the basics down here. So it'd be stat edit. Oops. Grab all this and move it over. Okay. Stat edit to enter the data on a Texas Instruments, and then to get the quadratic regression, it'd be be stat calc followed by quad reg. It's REG. So it's perfectly fine to do it on your Texas Instruments calculator or whatever other calculator you're using, but it's a lot easier when I'm tutoring online like this to do it with Desmos first. So I took these data points and I put them into Desmos, which is, you can see here, just the way you would do using stat edit on the Texas Instruments. And then the calculator comes out. I put in the quadratic formula here, the quadratic form of the curve. And you see I get a perfect fit. R squared is the fit. And then I get these parameters coming out. You could see it's a parabola opening down, and it goes through all the data points. So that means it's a perfect fit. So I'm just going to copy that equation out here. So it's going to be y equals negative 4.9 x squared. Well, yeah, x, we'll use an x squared plus 30.5 x plus 65. So you might have a little trouble reading that. I'm just getting the model from the output from Desmos there. And all we're being asked for now is to plug in 12. So we'll do it f of 12 is going to be negative 4.9 times 144, which is 12 squared, plus 30.5 times 12 plus 65. And you put all that into your calculator, you're going to get negative 274.6. You shouldn't be surprised to see a negative profit. If you look on the graph here, here's 12 here, which is what we're being asked for, and you can see the point of interest is right here. So it would be 12, and then this negative 274, you can see this is 225, 250, 275. So you can see it's around 275, and it comes out to be pretty close when you plug in the numbers. So that's all you need to do. Very straightforward. You just have to be pretty skilled at using your graphing calculator or using Desmos or some other calculator that you can use to answer the question. Okay, so that's it for this one. I hope my explanation was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.